Welcome to Buy with Confidence. If you're new here, this channel is about clear, honest product breakdowns so you can make decisions without pressure or guesswork. Today's product is the Oral-B iO Deep Clean Plus Whiten Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, specifically the iO 5 Limited Edition Bundle in black. This is a premium electric toothbrush designed for people who care about long-term dental health, consistent results, and a more refined daily routine. If you've ever wondered whether upgrading your toothbrush actually makes a difference, this review will help you decide. You'll find the purchase link in the description, and I've also pinned it in the comments for easy access. Reason number 1. The iO cleaning technology delivers a noticeably better clean. The defining feature of the Oral-B iO series is its magnetic drive system, and in daily use, it genuinely feels different. Instead of the typical buzzing vibration, the brush delivers smooth, controlled micro-oscillations that guide the bristles tooth by tooth. The result is a clean that feels both thorough and gentle. After a few uses, your teeth feel polished in a way that's difficult to achieve with manual brushing or older electric models. This matters most for people who want professional-level results without being aggressive on enamel or gums. Reason number 2. Visible pressure sensor protects your gums over time. One of the most common brushing mistakes is using too much pressure, often without realizing it. The visible pressure sensor on the iO 5 solves this quietly and effectively. When you brush correctly, the light stays calm. Press too hard, and it alerts you instantly. This feature is especially valuable if you've experienced gum sensitivity, recession, or bleeding in the past. Over time, it helps retrain your brushing habits, reducing damage while still maintaining excellent plaque removal. Reason number 3. 5 cleaning modes tailored to real-life needs. This model includes 5 distinct cleaning settings, and each one serves a practical purpose. Whether you're focused on deep cleaning, whitening, gentle care for sensitive gums, or everyday maintenance, switching modes is simple and intuitive. This flexibility makes the toothbrush suitable for a wide range of users, including those transitioning from manual brushing and those already familiar with electric brushes. It also allows the brush to adapt as your dental needs change over time. Reason number 4. Built-in 2-minute timer improves consistency. Consistency matters more than intensity when it comes to oral care. The built-in 2-minute timer, paired with quadrant pacing, ensures you're spending equal time on every area of your mouth. This feature removes guesswork and creates a reliable routine, even on busy mornings or late nights. Over weeks and months, this consistency contributes to healthier gums, better plaque control, and fewer surprises at dental checkups. Reason number 5. Thoughtful bundle adds long-term value. This package includes 3 iO brush heads, a travel case, and a refill holder, which significantly improves the overall value. The extra brush heads mean you're set for months without additional purchases. The travel case is sturdy and well-designed, making it easy to maintain your routine on the road. These additions make ownership feel complete rather than pieced together, which is what you want at this price point. Reason number 6. Rechargeable battery built for daily life. The rechargeable battery is designed to support real-world use, not constant charging. A full charge comfortably lasts through extended daily brushing, making it reliable for both home use and travel. The charging experience is simple and stable, and you're not left wondering whether the brush will be ready when you need it. Over time, this reliability becomes one of those small details you genuinely appreciate. Reason number 7. Premium design that feels appropriate for everyday use. The iO 5 Limited Edition in black has a clean, understated design that feels modern without being flashy. It sits well on a bathroom counter and feels solid in the hand. The controls are intuitive, and the overall build quality reflects a product designed to be used every day for years. This matters because a toothbrush is not just a tool, it's part of your daily routine, and this one fits seamlessly into it. What's the final verdict? The Oral-B iO Deep Clean Plus Whiten is not the cheapest electric toothbrush available, and it doesn't need to be. It's designed for people who value prevention, consistency, and comfort over shortcuts. If you're someone who wants better oral health with less guesswork, and you appreciate thoughtful design and long-term reliability, this toothbrush stands out clearly in its category. That's the breakdown. Take a moment and ask yourself if this fits your routine and your priorities. If it does, you can move forward knowing you're making a well-informed choice. Buy with confidence.